Emma and Liam were best friends who loved traveling. One sunny morning, they decided to go on a trip to the beach.
Let's pack our bags and have a great day by the sea.
Emma said excitedly. Emma and Liam made a list of things to bring.
Don't forget sunscreen,
Said Liam.
we don't want to get sunburned.
Right. I'll also pack towels, swimsuits, sunglasses, and flip-flops.
Emma added.
And we need snacks and water. What about a camera to take pictures?
Liam asked.
Good idea. Let's bring a beach ball, too.
Emma smiled. With their bags packed, they were ready to go. Emma and Liam took the bus to the beach. At the ticket counter, Liam said,
2 tickets to the beach, please.
The bus driver smiled.
It's a beautiful day for the beach. Enjoy your trip.
As the bus drove along the road, Emma looked out the window.
Look at the blue sky and the palm trees. It's so pretty.
Liam pointed to the ocean in the distance.
I can't wait to swim in the water.
When they arrived, Emma and Liam found a nice spot under a big umbrella.
Let's set up our towels and put on sunscreen first.
Emma suggested. Liam nodded.
I'll blow up the beach ball.
Soon, they were playing volleyball near the waves.
Watch out.
Liam laughed as Emma tried to catch the ball but fell into the soft sand.
This is so much fun.
Emma said, brushing off the sand. After playing, they decided to swim.
The water feels so cool and refreshing.
Liam said as he splashed around.
Look at the seashells on the shore.
Emma exclaimed.
I'm going to collect some.
While Emma picked seashells, Liam swam farther out.
Hey, Emma, come and see the tiny fish.
After swimming, they were hungry. Emma opened the picnic bag.
We have sandwiches, fruit, and cookies.
She said.
And cold water.
Liam added.
This is the best picnic ever.
They sat on their towels, eating and enjoying the sound of the waves. As the day ended, Emma and Liam sat together, watching the sunset.
The sky is orange and pink. It's so beautiful.
This was a perfect day.
Liam said.
We need to come back here again soon.
They took a selfie with the colorful sky behind them.
Say cheese.
Emma laughed.
Today, you learned this vocabulary. Beach, sand, ocean, waves, seashells. Packing, sunscreen, towel, swimsuit, sunglasses, flip-flops. Transportation, ticket, bus, driver, road. Food, sandwich, fruit, cookies, water. Activities, swimming, playing, relaxing, watching.